It's Robos Apien.
HobbyKidsTV.
This thing is Bluetooth. It walks forward and backward. Let's find out if it's true. All right, get her out of the box.
Why is that there?
It's a squishy ball. Look, it has star eyeballs. Squish, squish, squish. That scared me. Oh no, he's attacking the hobby kids at home. He said ouch. That's cool. Weird. So can he grab this cup? Oh! It's like, I don't want this cup. He's like doing the shimmy. He's doing a dance. Do a little dance. Get down tonight. Get down tonight. Shake those robotic hips. Oh, he does go backwards. That's rad. I totally dig it. What do you think, Hobby Frog? It is cool, huh? It's a Peabot! He's got a lot to say. He has one eyeball.
I like that button.
I can tell. Pick up this ball, robot. Got it? He's gonna fall. Oh. Looks like he's about to go bowling, but he got stuck. He got it. He'd rather play kickball. Oh, he's following you. Get the ball, Mr. Robot. He's kicking the ball. Oh, he's doing a little jig again. Oh, he took out Flash, Hulk, and the Silver Surfer. Will he be able to smash open a surprise? Here's a special little bad piggy chocolate egg surprise. Can you pick it up, Hobby Robot?
Yeah.
Okay, I think he's left-handed. Okay, maybe he's right-handed. Now you're just messing with me, dude. But look, he magically picked it up without any help from any of us. He's all, ta-da! You want to open it, Hobby Bear? Yeah, he's a bad piggy.
And open it.
Okay, open it. Oh, it's white chocolate and milk chocolate. Gotta share. Squish it. Oh, look, it has stars on it. That's cool. I've never seen that before. Squish it. Just gotta squish it. You greedy little piggies. Hey! We got Chuck. Here's all the cool characters that you can collect. Make sure to subscribe for more Hobby Kid fun robot action.